The Firefighter Nebulizer System is a creative and fun therapy tool that is perfect for all ages. Its durable metal piston system ensures long-lasting use, while the included pediatric mask disposable nebulizer kit tubing makes it easy to administer medication. The system also features a convenient storage compartment in the cab, allowing for easy organization of supplies. Whether you're a child in need of respiratory treatment or an adult looking for a reliable therapy option, the Firefighter Nebulizer System is a versatile and effective choice. With its user-friendly design and high-quality construction, this system provides a simple and efficient way to manage respiratory conditions. Say goodbye to cumbersome and outdated therapy methods and say hello to the nebulizer system, the modern solution for all your respiratory needs.